guys, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so in today's video we're going to do a more natural makeup look, or whatever you want to call it. So I've already done my brows because they didn't want to work today. So anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with a primer, go into the mascara, and then the lashes, and then that will be it. Because I just want a natural look today. I don't want anything fancy, just natural look. I'm gonna start with a primer, and yes, this is my new hair that I did 2 days ago, and I just uploaded the video. So if you're interested and want to watch it, then do it. It is a long video, like 30-40 minutes, but what do you expect? It took me over 2.5 hours to do it. So anyways, just go in on priming the eye. So if you're interested, this is L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer. It looks like so. And does it say anything else? No, it says white primer, base primer, so no, nothing really like so. Okay, hang on. Let's find my drawer. So now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes. Okay, so it's like a really soft one, but you've already seen this in my other videos. Now it's time to honestly, since I started with the primer and got this new mascara, it actually has given my lashes like volume, and you can actually see them like what you couldn't do that before, trust me. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Ardell Demi Lashes. I can hold it like so. This is what they look like. They are more of a natural look, and hopefully they will suit the purpose of this video. I just want more natural look. I was thinking of going in with the liner, since I want it like super natural. I have to put the lash on to see, but normally you should not put on liner after you put on the lashes, because like the wetness can like undo the lash or whatever, just from experience. Wait, which one? So I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I will put on a little bit of an eyeliner to make it look more natural, so you don't see the parting or whatever. Anyway, that's it. I hope you all are having a really nice Friday night. It is 6 already, and yeah. This is kind of new look. What do you think of my hair? I know it was like a total fail from, well, from how I was planning on doing it, but like, you more I look at it and like see how everything like falls together. I'm in love with it, honestly. Like, oh, I miss my pink hair. I kind of do, but honestly, well, it's almost like I went to the hairdresser. I didn't. No, I don't go to a hairdresser. I don't let anyone else but myself touch my own hair. I don't. No. I think I've been to a hairdresser one time to color my hair. They did a shitty job and I was like, no, I'm gonna continue coloring my own hair. I thought I could go there and to like, actually two times I've been to a hairdresser. And every time I got disappointed. I thought it would be nice to have someone else color my hair, to like just relax and kind of like a spa day, but no, they did a shitty job, both of them. But when it comes to cutting my hair, I've actually not cut my hair for a very long time. Honestly, it still doesn't feel like it needs to. I might need to though. But I usually just cut my own hair, but at the same time, it's gotten like at this part where I just can't. My neck has gotten worse, and yeah. So yeah, this is it. Okay, but I think it's dried. I'm a bit scared of using this one. Okay guys, so that's the look for tonight. That is just natural makeup look. I don't know what to call it. I know what to call it. It is the natural look, but a little bit of extra with the lashes. So what do you think? So I'm just gonna lean forward a little. So this is what it looks like looking down. I have no idea what it looks like while looking down. Not from top anyway, which I probably see when I'm rendering this movie. This is what it looks like when I look up. Oh, there you go. I hope you're all having a wonderful Friday. And I shall see you on the next one. Love you. Bye.